In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Closebot with GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have Closebot handling your DMs, qualifying leads, and sending them straight into GoHighLevel so your workflows can nurture and book appointments automatically. We'll start inside Closebot. Head to the website, click sign up, complete the short setup with your details and workspace, and verify your email. Verification is important because messaging permissions and integrations won't work reliably until your account is confirmed. Next, connect your social channels. In the Closebot dashboard, open integrations and choose the platform you want to use, like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, or Messenger. Sign into your Meta account and grant permissions so Closebot can read and send messages on your behalf. If you don't see the right page or profile, make sure you have admin access and that the account is set up as a business profile. This connection is what enables Closebot to respond to DMs and kick off automated conversations. Now create your Closebot automation. Go to Automations or Workflows and create a new workflow. Pick a trigger such as a new DM, a new comment, a keyword, or a story reaction. Then add steps like an AI reply, tagging the user, sending a link, asking qualifying questions, or sending the contact to your CRM. Keep the logic simple for your first flow, make the call to action clear, and save the workflow. Let's prepare GoHighLevel. In Settings under Company, locate your API key, then go to Automations and create a workflow that starts with the webhook received trigger. Add actions you want for new leads, such as adding them to a pipeline, tagging, assigning to a user, sending an SMS or email, or starting a nurturing sequence. This will be the entry point for contacts coming from Closebot. Back in Closebot, open integrations, select GoHighLevel, and connect using your agency or location API key. Choose the correct sub-account, then map fields like name, email, phone, source, and tags. Consistent field mapping ensures data shows up cleanly in GHL. Save the integration. Time to test. Trigger your Closebot automation by sending a keyword DM. Confirm that Closebot replies automatically, captures the user's details, and sends the lead to GoHighLevel. In GHL, open contacts and verify the new record appears with the right information, tags, and pipeline stage. If anything is missing, revisit your field mapping or workflow steps. If you use GoHighLevel's conversation AI, turn it on in AI tools. Enable auto replies, appointment booking, and lead nurturing, and assign it to channels